So Gua Musang, not bad, but without transportation, it's almost impossible. We've got to walk back to the railway station because there is no taxis or Grab. We found some little gems here. I mean,
Mosque was nice.
mosque was nice, very nice. We got some beautiful footage of that, and the chicken guy up here was good in the end. And I suspect if you had transportation, there's some pretty cool places you can visit, but for the foot traveller, no, not the best. I think one of the things I'd point out for travelling by train on this side of the country, on this sort of central line, with the music playing, the city comes to life.
Welcome to Malaysia.
Thank you. Terima kasih. Thank you, bye. One of the pointers I would say, travelling on this railway system, is there aren't any really good hotels. There are no real treats to stay in. I even asked the girl there, is there any sort of 4-star or 5-star hotels in the area we just go and have a wind down? And she said, no, nothing round here. So you are going to have to rough it most of the time. And although Google says there's a walk from our hotel to the railway station, there isn't. The girl at the front desk said there isn't a walk through. We've got to go up onto this main road and fight our way along the traffic. So the train station is just over by that big rock on the left there. These rocks are amazing. The formations, they look beautiful. I do believe there is a temple in one of them you can go and visit, but the walk to get to the beginning of the temple is so far. We weren't able to find anybody to take us, no taxis, no service at all suggested by the hotel, so I'm sure there are things to see here. Would I come to Gua Musang again? Yeah, I think I would. I think, you know, being a bit more prepared, maybe. These rock formations are amazing. Can't get over them. So our train today is at 10 o'clock and it's taking us to Kuala Lipis, or Lipis. Well, we've booked another hotel that's questionable. It could be okay. It looks good in the photos again, but we're not 100% sure. I'm just hoping it's got a decent shower. We can freshen up. And if it is even half decent and the town has got forms of transport, I think we'll stop for a couple of days and do some exploring. If you can't get around and you've got to drive here, well, say you drive here from the city, that's fine. But if you've got to stay in a filthy old rundown hotel, now we'll say on this whole train journey, most of the hotels are pretty low class. I mean, there's no real sort of luxury.
They're not cheap hotels.
No, they're not cheap. I mean, twice the price of this hotel had us in Society, that beautiful apartment in Kuala Lumpur, and I'd happily have paid twice the price for something like that and stayed for 2 or 3 days.
We've even looked in the next town to try, as you say, to try and upgrade to get and pay a bit more, but there isn't anything.
No, well, the pictures look good again, so we'll hold reservation. I'd still come here. I think this is still part of the exploration. I love this sort of travelling. The train journey is interesting. I just kind of wish a city like this that's got, you know, stunning scenery around it provided better for the traveller that was here.
Musang King apparently was created from here.
No, the girl told me that's a fake.
Oh, okay.
Fake news.
Fake news.
Maybe.
I thought someone took a branch from here and grafted it onto
No,
there.
I don't think so. I think it's a fake news. Some people can say in the comments, but and Google it, it'll tell you it does come from here, but the locals say it doesn't, so we'll leave it there. Wow, she's a big bug. Oh, she's away. Do you hear the noise? So here is our train, number D.
Doors are opening. Mind will stay.
So we're on a KTM D614 and we're heading to, I can't even see it there. Can anyone see Kuala Lipis? Such modern trains, aren't they, for almost no passengers. Good morning, Selamat pagi. How are you?
Oh, fine.
The coffee is good here.
Okay, coffee. Come.
That's it. All the staff are getting their drinks there, Michelle.
It's got to be good.
Whoa, whoa, oh. Whoa, whoa, oh. If I was a needle in a haystack, in some lonely field way out west, well, you would know just where to find me. If I was a single grain of sand, washed up on some island in the sea, well, you would know just where to find me, find me. It's a long, long road when you wander far from home, but I know your eyes, they roll.
Okay, so it seems Kuala Lipis also has Grab but isn't working. So we've got another 1.5 kilometer walk, or this guy is going to ask if there's a taxi near the KFC.
Oh, KFC,
Yeah, he told me KFC.
You can wait 5 minutes.
Yeah. What's happening?
We'll work first.
Huh? He can take?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You can wait.
Yeah, no problem.
And come here.
Oh, thank you.
Around 10 minutes. Yes.
Yeah. Now Grab is coming. So Grab is working sometimes.
Yeah.
So sweet. Everyone here has tried to help us. Even one of the staff was going to take us in a car. But then suddenly a Grab driver picked up. So we're confused, but it's good. It's all good. Thank you, Asman. Thank you. Have patience. Yeah.
You design hotel, eh?
You design hotel, yeah.
Where
I was
from,
talking
sir?
Australia.
Australia also.
I was talking to Wasam and Wati here. They said Grab is difficult in. It's difficult here sometimes. Yeah.
Difficult here?
Yeah. It works.
No.
You do Grab taxi every day or?
No, I just part time only.
Oh, okay. Okay, man.
Just weekdays, some Saturday and Sunday only.
Okay, good. Nasi dagan.
Yes, nasi dagang you must try.
It's good, yeah.
My suggestion is nasi dagang is very
Nasi dagan. Okay, I will look for this. Thank you. So here is the hotel. We're a U-Design hotel. So let's see if we got a good one this time or an okay one. We'll take whatever. Push on this side. Oh, well, it looks fresh. Looks fresh and clean. It's not too bad, you know. My expectations are always dropping. We get this guy in with his nice apron here. And the smell coming off that is really nice. So I've decided I'm going to eat local style. So we asked for nasi kerabu, but it's this is just steamed rice, but it's okay. Oh, it's nice. It's got coconut in, Michelle. Quite delicious. Oh, it's very nice. That is such a good meal. Michelle prefers the brown meat, but she'll have chicken breast here because it's super fresh. It's moist. There's actual juice left in the chicken, and the flavour, the coating they put on the chicken is absolutely delicious. The seasoning on the skin is delicious. If you've ever had Kentucky Fried Chicken, which is actually just near us as well, just by our hotel, don't bother. I mean, this stuff, it's beautiful.
Very nice.
It's very nice. Shaved a little chunk of really beautiful fried chicken. Finger licking good. We'll just wash our hands.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, that was lovely. Great food. Well, that was a great little find.
Yeah, that was nice.
We were quite hungry.
You were.
We hadn't had any proper breakfast, had we?
I hadn't had any breakfast.
Hadn't had any breakfast, yeah, you're right.
We had coffee before we got on the train.
And our hotel is just here, I think. I think it's probably, yeah, that blue colour. The people call this town, they really call it Lipis, don't they?
Lipis.
Lipis. So we're in Lipis. We'll have a little explore tomorrow. Take you around. I think this is going to be a keeper. This looks like a good little town. Look, we could have gone to KFC.
Oh, we could have gone to
Right next door to the hotel.
What a shame.
No, we
No.
couldn't. KFC times 100. Superb. See you later.
Bye.
So what's that? We just met a German girl, Kirsty, from Tasmania, Australia, selling cakes in Lipis. Look at the cakes. Man. This surprised me, Michelle. You know, this is what I say. You come to these places, you think there's nothing here, you come for a little wander, and you start finding fellow Aussies selling cakes, a market, a night market.